Hi guys, hope all are doing well. Jishu Banerjee in this site. So, further wasting any time, let's jump into the topic. Today, I'll discuss how to use VLOOKUP, how to use if error u application or formula, and how to use XLOOKUP. So, let's jump into the topic. Why we are use the VLOOKUP formula? We are use the VLOOKUP formula for vertical lookup. When we are on to find out anything vertically, so always we are want to prefer that VLOOKUP formula. So how can we able to implement this one? Let me show. Equals to always sorry VLOOKUP lookup value employee ID. Select the table array from which table you want to find out any document or any details, and from which column you needed the details. Is this one is the basic salary. Basic salary is the column. From this we are required this detail. So basic salary, which number of column? 4 number of column 4, and for exact match we should implement the 0, and this is close the bracket and tab. Why this is NA? Because in this column there are no documents or any details. Now we are put this 11. Now you can able to find out this basic salary formula run perfectly. It is the use of the VLOOKUP formula. I want to teach you the basic uses of those. So why we are using the if error formula? If error formula also nothing. Why we are used? For avoiding any error. You can able to got it, but how can we implement? For example, now here we are put a uncommon value which is not present in this table. So in this case, this basic salary cell show the NA due to formulation. So how can we able to find out valid comments? Because when we are creating any report for the management or for your higher authority did not get why that is NAR present, because that is not present. That is since due to long present not present your data in the table. So how can we able to fix this one? So let me show through the help of the use of the if error formula. So now you can type the if error tab, and here give a comma and type under double quote, always alphabet format under the double quotation in Excel, not invalid, sorry, MPID. Clear? If you are facing any type of issue with this, please give a valuable comment on this. Invalid employee ID, because this employee ID are not present in this table array. Now I can put the 56. So 56 show the correct value. So why we are using the if error formula? For if we are getting any types of error, for avoiding those errors we are using this if error formula. Now for one formulation we are needed to use the two formula. One is VLOOKUP, another is if error. So we are want to avoid, and we are want to speed up, grow up in our skill. So in this case we are implement the XLOOKUP formula. So let me show how can we able to use the XLOOKUP formula. So we are want to put the basic salary from this table. So what can I use XLOOKUP formula? Yes, you can use XLOOKUP formula. Click on the XLOOKUP, select the value which you want to find out from the table, select comma lookup array, not table array, lookup array. It is your lookup array, and return array. This is your return array. Comma, don't leave the comma and close. That is too easy as compared to the VLOOKUP. That is give a perfect sign. So now I want to change the format of this basic salary. So click on the control 1, currency India, select that is currency. Now I want to put the value in each and every column through the help of the XLOOKUP. Is it possible? Yes, it is possible. Let me show how can it's possible. Use XLOOKUP, select the value, select the lookup value, comma, sorry, lookup value, and you needed to find out the return value. I will select the 3 multiple column. Why? Because I needed each and every document row column by column vertically, and one and to use invalid. Now close this bracket. Now each and every column you can able to find out the details. But now suppose here is we are put the 68, that is not present, then each and every row it should be show invalid, name is invalid. But when we are put 56, it is give the correct value. So through the use of XLOOKUP we can able to reduce our effort, and XLOOKUP is the combination of if error as well as the VLOOKUP. So it will help you to grow up and speed up your skill. Thanks you for your valuable time. That's all enough for today's video. We will come back with you with the new topic on Microsoft Excel. Please stay with us and help us to further growth. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for your valuable time.